The Banking and Payments section of the site allows you to monitor your troop's proceeds and the amount due to council throughout the program. Click the Banking and Payment link to see your troop number, gross sales, amount collected online, proceeds and bonuses, the total amount owed, and any troop payments that may have been made, as well as the balance due. Click the row to see more detail regarding payments credited to your troop against your balance due to the council. In the section below, you'll see the girls in your troop and the balance due to the troop by each participant. If you would like to also record girl payments made to your troop, click the plus sign next to each girl's name, or click the pink Add Girl Scout Payment button. Enter the relevant information, click Record Payment, and those details will be saved. Please keep in mind that these payments do not adjust the balance due council and only serve as a ledger for you to track payments received from girls and/or caregivers. Any balances due as a result of in-person order card sales will be reflected in these totals once you have these items entered into the system by either you or the participant.